Fortune favors the brave.
Before we get started, please consider setting up recurring investments in crypto or stocks. Just get it set up on autopilot, and you never know what small weekly investments may turn into in the future. I sat down to make more Crypto.com coin purchases and decided to share with you why I am doing this. So here we are. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor, and I am just sharing with you what I am doing and why. So please do your own research before making any financial decisions. Here you are seeing me purchase $400 more worth of Crypto.com coins on Coinbase and $500 more worth in my Alto Crypto IRA account. I see several videos on YouTube talking about the Crypto.com coin going to $100 per coin. I will discuss later in the video if that is a possible reality. In this video, we will discuss if you can still make money with the Crypto.com coin, why I feel the Crypto.com coin will increase in value, and will the Crypto.com coin reach $100? Here is a little history of the Crypto.com coin listed on CoinMarketCap. The biggest reason I feel the Crypto.com coin will take off is because of exposure. A major sports arena where top professional teams play has changed its name from the Staples Center to the Crypto.com Arena due to Crypto.com coin paying $700 million for the naming rights. This is huge.
Come Christmas morning, this whole place is going to change. It's no longer going to be Staples Center. It is a big name change for the Staples Center and also, of course, for LA. For more than 2 decades, it's been known as the Staples Center from the day the doors opened here. A name change is a really big deal. In fact, it was a $700 million deal. That's what Crypto.com paid for the naming rights. Now, experts say it's one of the biggest naming deals in sports history.
Over the next several years, everyone will hear the name Crypto.com coin because of concerts, professional hockey, professional basketball, professional wrestling, or just California and national news coverage. Crypto.com also has a no annual fee debit card. You can top up this card with fiat or crypto. These cards also have other advantages. Depending on the card you choose, you can stake from $0 up to $400,000 worth of Crypto.com coin, ticker symbol CRO. You can earn 100% cashback for your Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia, and Airbnb. Again, these benefits depend on the card you choose and how much CRO you stake. These are unheard of benefits for holding a debit card. The other thing to keep in mind is that they are really just getting started, and I expect more benefits to come and definitely more exposure for CRO. Now, what is the price prediction for CRO? Can CRO reach $100? Well, let's dive in. I know this may look overwhelming, so let me simplify this. I am comparing CRO's current market cap to 2 other exchange market caps, along with Dogecoin and Cardano's market cap. If we compare what price CRO's coin would be if it were to hit Uniswap's market cap, all other things remaining the same, then we see that CRO's price is already higher than Uniswap's price. So let's move to the Binance coin. The Binance coin has a market cap of $95 billion, and if CRO were to have a $95 billion market cap at this time, their coin would be worth approximately $3.75. Currently, CRO has a market cap of $15 billion, not $95 billion. I personally think it will take some time for CRO to reach the market cap of BNB. I think a safe price for CRO is between $2 and $3 for the near future. Can CRO reach $100? This is where the numbers on the spreadsheet came from. Crypto.com coin. Current price: 61 cents. Market cap: $15 billion. Circulating supply: 25.26 billion coins. Max supply: 30 billion coins. Current price. Circulating supply. Max supply. Market cap. Now, what would the market cap be if CRO's coin price hit $100? $2.5 billion. The odds are this will never happen because that would mean that CRO has a bigger market cap than Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a current market cap of $955 billion. A $2.5 billion market cap is over 2 times the market cap of Bitcoin. I don't ever foresee any coin with a bigger market cap than Bitcoin. Well, maybe Ethereum one day, but not today. What ways could CRO get to a $100 coin price? 1. Burn coins. 2. More and more people start to stake their coins for the debit card benefits. 3. This may be a long shot, but since crypto is moving to the metaverse, CRO could start to add games and NFTs to their platform. Many games call for the burning of coins as a part of their tokenomics. I see a fair price of anywhere between $2 to $3, so let's use $2.50. If CRO reaches $2.50, that will be a 300% increase over the current price. Please do your own research before purchasing CRO or any crypto, stock, or other investments. I am just sharing my research with you and how it was performed. Remember, keep in mind, Crypto.com is really just getting started, and I expect to hear a lot more from CRO in the future. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts on the Crypto.com coin below. Take care, my friends.
If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.